training with Lori's never been much of a challenge for me. Since I'm a werewolf and she's just a regular human, and, you know,
feisty.
A girl.
What was that for?
I know what you were thinking. Now stop taking it easy on me.
All right. She wants to play with the big boys.
Yeah, maybe I do.
Alrighty.
Tommy, are you okay?
Nice move. Oh, a little grease in the fur. A little peanut butter ought to be able to get that out. The police. Laura, get out of here.
What? No way, I can't leave you here.
You already have a record, I don't, all right? Now, just go. I'll take the heat for this one. Go!
Thanks.
Freeze, dirtbag! Freeze!
I used to own this town. Now it's all turned upside down. I wish I could figure out. Do you think it's just a phase I'm going through? Just a phase I'm going through.
The damage to the Hungry Bucket was pretty bad, and I didn't have much of an explanation for the police. So, after a long night in juvenile detention, I was just glad it was over without everyone knowing about it.
Hey, Tommy!
Hey! Welcome back, Tommy. Hey, did you hit the weight yard? You're looking more buff than usual.
Come on, take it easy, guys. Right, it was one night, Merton.
Yeah, well, thanks for taking the fall. I owe you big time. So, what's the punishment?
Hard labor. Yeah, I gotta work off the damage to the Hungry Bucket. Give me 50 hours.
50?
Start tomorrow. Merton, don't look. But I think that girl over there's checking you out.
Where? She's gorgeous.
She looks kind of familiar. You should go talk to her, Merton.
You can do it, man. Just be yourself.
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
You're right. I should just be myself.
Ladies and gentlemen.
Sup? Name's Merton. Dig? Whoa!
Oh! Are you okay? Did you hurt yourself?
I think I lacerated my self-esteem, and I may have re-injured my dignity. But it seems my funny bone is still intact. What's your name?
Kyuki Mitsumoto.
What a lovely name. Danish, if I'm not mistaken.
Actually, I'm from Japan. Well, Merton, it was a pleasure to meet you, but I must be going now.
What? No, no, you can't go yet. I was just about to switch gears from charming to irresistible.
I'm so sorry, but I can't see you again, as much as I might like to.
Not that I haven't heard all the reasons from scats of other girls, but why not?
Because we're too different.
Too different. We'll see about that.
Between 4 years of football, basketball, and baseball, I put on a lot of uniforms, and I was always proud to wear them. Until now.
Are you sure I have to wear this? I mean, why can't I wear what you're wearing?
In your dream stockings. Now look, I'm not in the habit of babysitting juvie cases for the court.
Whoa, whoa. I am not a juvie case, all
Hey,
right?
hey, the man is talking. The man has the floor.
I'm sorry, who?
The man. Round here, that's me. If you're ever unsure who the man is again, just ask yourself, who's wearing the tie? What are you staring at, Dawkins? Oh, you're admiring the stash.
Yeah, I wish I could grow one like that. Or fuller.
It's catnip for the ladies. Now, the man wants to check out your customer service skills. Let me hear a friendly, hungry bucket hello.
Welcome to the hungry bucket. What can I get ya?
No, not ready for prime time. Let's see how you handle a toilet brush.
Kimi wa hinode da hanasaku. Hana no hasamatai ni Akimi do ne.
Merton, your Japanese is excellent.
Domo oregato. I hope you don't mind the dialect. It's Ogawa province. Oh, what's this behind your ear? Oh, it looks like one of my little snow monkeys escaped from my origami zoo. And here's his friend, Mr. Whooping Crane. And now for a little traditional Japanese dancing. I hope you don't mind if my kabuki is influenced by my R&B roots. Hit it, Rico! Hi. What is it, Kyuki-san? Your brow furrows like the waves on Osaka Bay.
Merton, you went through so much trouble to learn about my culture.
Yeah?
And that's really very sweet, but that's not what I meant about us being different. Oh, please, Merton, just forget you ever met me.
What? Kyuki, I'm confused. I thought you said you liked me. I thought you found me charming.
I do.
Lovable?
Yes.
Devastatingly handsome? Don't answer that.
You shouldn't have done that.
Why? Because now that you've tasted paradise, there's no turning back?
No, I mean it. You really shouldn't have done that.
What? Well, it's progress. At least she didn't hurt me.
She did not hurt you, but I will.
I kissed a beautiful girl today. Hey, Kyuki, I am kooky for you. Oh, hi there. A little lost, are we? 11th century Japan is that way.
You have befouled the lips of Kyoki, and now you must pay the price.
There's no need for swordplay. We can settle this like men. With a freestyle haiku face-off. I'll go first. Samurai swings blade. Scared Merton soils kimono. I reach new low. Shame. Now you go. Remember, 5-7-5. If you ever want a rematch, just give me a holler. Sayonara!
Excuse me. Can you tell me where I can find Tommy Dawkins? Oh, I'm so sorry.
I don't know how much more of this I can take.
Dawkins, no flirting with the customers. No matter how delicious they may be. Hi, I'm the manager. Round here, they just call me the man. That's me. 5 months running. Can I interest you in a... Wait, don't tell me. Chicken cheddar splurgito. Tell you what, I'm gonna supersize it, and I'm gonna comp it.
Thanks, but I don't like things that are cheesy. Bye, Tommy.
Dawkins, the man has a problem.
What is it, the man?
It's the ladies. They're my one weakness.
Yeah, so?
So get me a date with her, and maybe the man works some hours for you.
I don't know. You see, she usually likes to date guys with names and stuff.
Maybe the man works all your hours.
No way.
He's got a mustache.
Ugh.
And he's down with the studs in jazz band. Huh?
Well, I do feel bad that it was partly my fault you had to work at the bucket.
Come on, Lordy, please.
Okay, fine.
Whoa. Take it easy. What's going on?
A samurai just attacked me in the alley because I kissed Kyuki. Now he wants to turn me into sashimi.
Whoa. You kissed her? Right on.
Yeah, you know.
Wait a second. The samurai? Kyuki? The kiss? I've seen all of this somewhere. I'll meet you guys back at the lair. My dad was stationed in Okinawa when we were kids. He used to read us this fairy tale. It's a fable about a princess and an evil prince named Kenzo. She rejected his marriage proposal because she didn't love him. So he put a curse on her to live alone forever and vowed to destroy anyone who befouled her lips.
That was you, bro.
That's her. That's my Kyuki.
According to the fable, Kenzo won't stop until the offending suitor is dead.
Boy, it's times like this I sure am glad I have a friend who's a werewolf.
Just a man. Gotta get back to the bucket.
What? No, Tommy, you can't leave me now. In this, my hour of need? You heard what happens to offending suitors.
So, stop suiting, and this Kenzo dude won't have anything to be jealous about.
Unagi.
I can't believe you're wearing that.
Lori, let's remember, I need as much protection as possible. Besides, if I have to get my sumo on, I'll be ready.
There she is. Let her down easy.
Right. Nice and easy. Hey! We are totally through! Yuki and me, Merton Dingle! Splitsville! Finito! No more love!
Why are you shouting?
Oh, you know, just in case any evil Japanese princes happen to be listening, I want them to know that it's totally over! So we can cool it!
And it has already begun. The curse is unleashed again.
Again? What do you mean again? This has happened before?
Yes. 2 other men have kissed me.
2? If I'd known about your checkered past, I might not be in this pickle.
Well, what happened to the other 2?
One was impaled, and the other...
Oh! Yeah, I got it.
There's no way to break the curse unless the prince himself kisses another girl, and he hasn't done that in 900 years. He's too obsessed with me.
I hear that. Say, Kenzo, 900 years with no action's gotta be tough. Can I interest you in a little smooch from this feisty young lass? Go.
Now, you die.
Wait!
She's got a good point.
I cannot let you take another life because of me, Kenzo. I'll marry you if I must.
Yuki, don't do it!
Lori, this doesn't concern you. Kyuki, go on.
Hold these. Truly, you would wear the ceremonial dress and take my hand in marriage.
I promise. Tonight, in the town square at midnight. Just don't hurt Merton.
As you wish. But for insurance,
I shall take the pale round one with me.
Really? I think my time might be better spent planning your bachelor party. Okay, I'll go with you. In case I don't get a chance to thank you later, I want you to know I appreciate your having me as your best man.
Silence, fool.
Pre-wedding jitters? I understand. Oh, look! Here comes the blushing bride now.
Yuki. You are more beautiful than the orchid at sunset.
Hack!
Let the ceremony begin. You promised to honor me. Blah, blah, blah. I now pronounce us man and wife.
Hey, guys. So, everything work out with your Japanese friends?
Swimmingly, Tommy. I was abducted by Kenzo, and just seconds ago, he forced Kyuki to marry him against her will.
Oh, no, he didn't.
What?
Told you it would work.
You kissed the lips of another, Kenzo. The curse is broken.
And you better appreciate it. Can't believe I kissed this loser.
Before we get too insulting, little reminder. I am still in danger!
Very well. The spell is broken. I guess I will just have to destroy you all for spite then!
Don't you dare hurt them.
Ah, you are a dog man. This was unexpected. That is right. My powers are great. Now you pay. You should give up now, or I will make you very sorry. Your skills are impressive, but ours are better. Ha!
Let us show him what happens to those who fight with us.
Lori, let us work together as one.
Fight him with our super strength.
To defeat this villain. We begin. This will undoubtedly hurt.
Enough. Enough. Kyuki, your friends are too powerful for me. I give up.
It's been 900 years, Kenzo. It's about time you got over me anyway.
Well, I have kind of had a thing for Christy Yamaguchi ever since the 92 Olympics. Maybe I can look her up.
I think she already has a boyfriend.
Then he will pay the price. Oui?
Well, I guess that's another one down.
Yeah, but... do you guys get the feeling we're forgetting something?
The man is not happy.
Freeze, dirtbags!
Oh, not again.
I said freeze!
Well, when it all got sorted out, it was back to the Hungry Bucket for me and my accomplices.
So, Lori, me and my crew from Jazz Band are getting together tonight at my place. No parents. All right.
And Kyuki, she dumped Merton the first chance she got. Something about having 900 years to make up for. But he bounced back pretty quickly. I guess he realized there are plenty of girls in the world.
mein Fraulein? Sprechen Sie Dingle?
Come on down to the hungry buck bucket. Come on down to the hungry buck bucket. Come on, 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 come on down to the hungry buck bucket.
Yeah! Finito! That's it! No love! Splitsville! So we can call it... Cut.
Let's go again.